we are talking about research, its impact, and keep in mind throughout our purpose is to focus on research that relates with our field of study. So that's why the topics, the examples I am giving, they belong to our particular field, language and gender. One main benefit of public engagement when you get it through any strategy, the strategies we have discussed for public engagement. So what is the result? Everybody gives comments on your research. So different opinions are coming to your research findings. In online publications, people from all walks express their views on gender and sexuality about the topic of your research. Definitely, this is your domain. They may be linguists, they may be religious scholars, they may be politicians, they may be feminists. So a range of opinions are expressed about your topic. And these opinions gradually spread to further wider circles. So this is how you maximize your impact. You spread your knowledge outside your own academic circle. Some of these may be supporters of feminist stance. The people we are talking about, they may be feminists, they are supporters. Some may write for or against gender stereotypes, gender norms, gender order, gender ideology of the society. For example, men are better leaders, women cannot join physically demanding jobs. These are stereotypes. So some may write, some may give their opinion to support such stereotypes, and some may oppose them. Men are not suitable for teaching early classes. Women allow interruption in talk. They tolerate others when they talk. So they are person-oriented. They take care of other person's sensitivities and feelings, etc. So these are all stereotypes, one-sided views, which are spread through discourse, through talk, everyday talk. So these are stereotypes. You already know this. Okay, some will support, some will oppose. Diverse opinion. Some take scientific style. For example, male, female voice pitch is different because of their different physiology. Their thyroids are different. We have discussed it in previous topics. So everyone can talk through online comments or publications. This is an open platform. The only thing is your academic repute. Everybody can't attract everybody's attention. People would like to read and give attention to that research that was conducted by a person of some repute. We see how talk shows get comments from different scholars. For example, they are talking about domestic violence, so they would invite some psychologists, some sociologists, and even to some feminists to give some opinion about this topic. Online access to public is like a marketplace of ideas. And in market, everybody sells his or her commodities. So here you are selling your ideas. The public has parallel views on the same issue. Ultimately, audience will decide which of these views have waters, which of these views has waters or weightage.